Hello friends, Nalinaksha Swami here, coming up with one more swing trading idea. Advanced enzyme. This stock is after making an high of 503, it has started correcting here. And it has crossed the previous historical high of 469 to make the high of 503. So, this correction is a very healthy correction, and also it obliges the swing rules, swing and trend rules. Now, this is the area. This is the area. It went into a brief consolidation and it was a breakout. So when it has broken out from this range, now price is coming near that range and retesting it. So it is a very good way of price action actually. When the price comes to this level, range breakout and range retest, one can look for going long in it. One can expect reversal in this state, in this stock, and also it is a good stock when it has made an higher high and it is coming down. So this range high is at 382 and the point of control is the level where most of the price has been exchanged between buyers and sellers. And finally, buyers have dominated from this level. So definitely when the price comes to 382 or to the near to the level of 358, one can go long in this. One can go long in this. So it may even come to the level of 382 to 377 also, because the price action is telling me. If I zoom it out, these are the level. This is the big breakout candle, and before breaking out there is a base formation. If I mark the high and low of this base, the level which comes to 391, at present it is at 398 and 382, where is the range level 384 to 382, and this is the level which is the low of the base. So before the range breakout, when the base has formed. Base has formed means the price has undergone through sideways movement. So even here in the micro level, the price has been exchanged between the buyers and sellers, and the buyers have dominated over here. And buyer, it went up to this level and it has retested. This is the level already retested. That is the level of 392, and at present it is at the level of 397 point. So it made a low of 393, and also it has made a level of 389. So again it is coming there. Multiple times it is coming over here. So you can expect reversal in this. Reversal in this stock. It may go past this previous high 505 or 492, 503, which is made. It's a good bet actually. So it is for educational purpose, and also you consult your financial analyst before taking any trade. Thank you, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.